Hi, I'm Navneet Lamba and I'm gonna talk about importance of emotional health for a happy life. One of the key things to maintaining your mental health is understanding what good emotional health is all about. What does being emotionally healthy means? It doesn't mean that one is always happy. Instead, it refers to managing all of the emotions nicely. An emotionally healthy person gets influenced by some feelings like disappointment or anger. However, they are capable of managing outbursts or negative feelings. They are capable of conveying those emotions in an appropriate manner. Mental health and emotional health are often used interchangeably. Emotional health focuses on tuning in our emotions, vulnerability, and authenticity. Having a good emotional health is a fundamental aspect of promoting resilience, self awareness, and overall contentment. Keeping up with our emotional health helps us with fighting with stress. Research shows that emotional distress makes one more vulnerable to physical illness by impacting one's immune system. It also helps in getting recharged for a task. Having a positive opinion about everything makes you focus. On the other hand, poor health depletes your mental resources and leads to exhaustion. Good emotional health helps in deepening relationships, as when we're equipped with good emotional health, then it's easier for us to connect and understand someone else. Your thoughts, feelings, and experiences influence the way you feel about yourself. Good emotional health helps you see the best in yourself despite challenges. It also affects your physical health. If your emotional health is in good shape, then your physical health will automatically improve. And most importantly, it helps you stay positive, which is most important of all things, because staying emotionally healthy and positive relies on each other. And finally, when all these factors get checked out, then your life automatically becomes a happy life. Being in a state of emotional health helps you deal with daily situations with a lot more clarity and purpose. Thank you.